Hello everyone, welcome to Srinivas Guru. This is Srinivas Lokutapeta. I'm having 2 years of experience on AWS Cloud, DevOps, ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and many more. Today we will discuss about what is DevOps. Before that, I'm going to let you know a few things. So I'm starting DevOps with AWS and AI course. That is the 2 months bootcamp course. So there in detail will be the complete all tools, all DevOps tools I'm going to cover. So advanced technologies and along with AI also. Okay, using AI, how we are going to work on DevOps tools. Everything I'm going to let you know there. Okay, this course, if you learn this course, you'll get huge package. And also this course, anyone can do, like freshers, graduate, technical, non-technical guys. If you're having experience on different technologies, if you're a system administrator, tester, whoever it may be, anyone can do this course and they can get huge package after completion of this course. And also at the end of this course, I'll provide you interview questions, mock interviews, and resume preparation, everything it will be there. And job assistance will be there. Correct? Okay. Today, almost every company like Amazon, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, they use DevOps. Why they are using DevOps? Because companies cannot wait months to release software anymore, and they need automation. They need faster deployment. They need stable infrastructure. Okay, because of not only that particular companies, so all over the world, and some companies they are using DevOps. That's why DevOps is the highly demanded course. And also once you complete this, you'll get huge package. Okay.